This is the 75th year for International Credit Union Day, and today we are celebrating what makes credit unions unique. If you have a question about credit unions, you can send them right now to abc27.com/Ask Members First this morning. And joining us to share more about International Credit Union Day is Mike Wilson of Members First, the sponsor of this segment today. Good to have you with us, sir.
Good to be back.
We're celebrating, again, the 75th year of International Credit Union Day. Tell me about this day. What is it all about?
Yeah, well, it's the 75th anniversary, and it's all about raising global awareness for all that credit unions do. So the philosophy of the credit union movement is really about people helping people. So this is a great day for credit unions internationally to be able to go out and do what sets credit unions aside. Whether that's volunteering or educating people, giving back to their members. Credit unions are owned by their members, so it's just about celebrating all of those aspects.
Specifically for Members First, what does this day mean for you?
It means a lot to us, and thank you for wearing your Members First red today.
No problem.
But today, this really is about keeping us grounded in our roots and what established us. So for us, everything is about relationships. In fact, when I leave here today, we're having an event at our headquarters celebrating our heritage and those who helped us to get started, and those who have worked at Members First for a very long time serving our members. So it's going to be a great day.
I mean, talk about the mission of Members First and how you are able to fulfill that mission day to day.
Yeah, well, for us, we want to take care of three stakeholder groups, right? So we want to take care of our associates because we're very proud of them and they work hard. In fact, our AVP of Community Outreach, her work anniversary is today on International Credit Union Day. So I want to thank Sarah. But it's a way for us to be able to give back, to our associates who volunteer as well. We have actually done more than one event a day year to date in the community and volunteered over 5,000 hours.
Wow.
We also want to give back to our members and take care of our members. I know there's a longtime viewer, Jean, who reaches out to me every time I'm on this show, so I want to say hi to her. But us being able to give back through whether it's lower loan rates or right now is a great time for savers with higher certificate rates. And then, of course, we want to give back to the communities we serve. We feel an obligation to do that. So it all comes down to, relationships and taking care of those three groups.
I know this day really truly does mean something to you, and you're celebrating too. Like, how are you celebrating?
Well, we are celebrating. Again, the beauty of a credit union is we are owned by our members. We're not owned by, shareholders that are driving the decisions. So our members, we are doing a random enter to win today. It's the 75th year, so we're going to do a random enter to win of $75 in a goal savings account, and we hope that helps someone work towards their goals.
Very good, very good. Now, as we did mention, Members First is participating in a web chat with us today. It's a live web chat. You can send your question in to abc27.com/Ask Members First. You can also scan the QR code that you see on the screen, and we do have a viewer question we're going to ask you, Mike, and that is, what exactly is a credit union? What's the difference between a credit union and a bank?
Sure. It's really just what is the foundation and what's the fundamental setup of that entity, right? So a bank has folks that invest, they become the shareholders that own and drive the decisions of that bank. A credit union is a member-owned cooperative, so that means we are owned by our members. And the more resources we all have, the more we can all share and help each other. So Members First, for example, we were started on a military base where 9 people threw money into a pot to lend each other money for appliances during the war. I mean, it's very, very humble beginnings.
Yeah.
And you look at today, we serve hundreds of thousands of members across a very much growing footprint, but the concept has never changed. We're owned by our members, and it's all about people helping people.
Very good. We're going to continue to celebrate the day coming up after the break. As we do go to break right now, we thank Members First Federal Credit Union for sponsoring this segment. We'll be right back.